Hi, welcome to my channel. The name is still Sidako. Today we are going to look at how to send WhatsApp message without saving the number or the contact. Now, what will you do in a situation where you have to send document to a person without using WhatsApp? You need to save the person's number and send the document, right? This is time consuming. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way in order to send the message quickly without saving the contact. Stick and stay. I'll be back for more. Welcome back, guys. In this video I am going to show you how to send a message on WhatsApp without saving the number. There are different ways of doing this, but I will explain one most famous ways of going by this. Now, all that you need to do quickly is open your browser. Just open your web browser and type in this https, and then you have your wa.me/, and then you type the number. So if the number is like this, you type 543045703. Now take note, make sure that you have this here, the country code. Very important. So you should have this country code, which is 233 first here. Very important. And then the rest of the numbers should be 10 digits. You understand? It should be 10 digits. So after that, you have 543 and the rest. Make sure you do not add the 0 to it. When you are done, just hit on enter on your mobile phone, and it will take you to the WhatsApp platform, and it says continue to chat. When you click on this, it will ask you to open the WhatsApp that you want to use. So I have 2 WhatsApp from my phone, so I will open the WhatsApp business here, and boom, guys, it will take you straight to the person's DM, and then you can send the person a message. You understand? So this is how you'll be able to send a person's or a document or any other thing that you want to send to the person without saving the person's contact. So you see, this is very quick way to avoid saving contact. To avoid it, also help you to also reduce the storage capacity of your SIM card and even your mobile phone. And anytime that you want to send a message, it is very convenient and very quick. Comment on how easy you think this went or the step is in the comment section. Make sure you like and share this video as well. See you in the next episode.